Next topic, children, degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. What is degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is nothing but highest power or exponent of variable in the polynomial. What is degree, children? Degree is nothing but highest power or exponent, highest exponent of the variable in the polynomial. Let's understand this with examples, children. Let's consider a polynomial. A polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 6x plus 7. Let's check each term, children. In this term, what is the highest power, children? X cube. Power is 3. Exponent is 3. Here, in this term 3x square, the power you have, exponent you have is 2. And here, the exponent you have is 1 and 7. 7 is nothing but 7 you can write as 7 into 1. 1 is nothing but you can write as x power 0. So, for constant, the exponent is 0. Exponent or degree is 0. Let's discuss this again. So, if you observe here, you have exponent as 3. You have exponent of 3x square as 2. And in 6x, you have exponent as 1. What is the highest, children? Highest is 3. So, highest in this polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 6x plus 7, the highest exponent is 3. This highest exponent is nothing but degree. So, degree of this polynomial is 3. Let's understand with another example. X power 4 minus 3x square plus 6x cube. Suppose this is a polynomial. And in the first term, if you observe, what is the exponent, children? 4. And here in 3x square, in this term, the exponent is 2. And in 6x cube, the exponent is 3. So, what is the highest of the 3 exponents? It is 4. You have one variable x in this expression. So, for that variable, you check what is the highest power. Here you have 4, here you have 2, here you have 3. So, highest is 4. So, degree is nothing but highest exponent. So, for this expression, degree will become 4. Let's check another example, children. 6x plus 7. Here, what is the variable you have, children? X. So, what is x? X is nothing but x power 1. So, highest is 1. So, degree of this expression is? Degree is 1. So, highest power will become the degree. So, degree of polynomial is nothing but highest power. Here, children, if you observe all these expressions, all these polynomials are one variable. Let's see if there are two variables in the polynomial. Let us consider the expression 3xy plus x square plus x power 6. So, there are two variables here. So, check each term. In this term, for x you have xy. That means x power 1, y power 1. X is nothing but x power 1, children. Y is nothing but y power 1. If you don't have any exponent, that means exponent is 1. So, only x means x power 1. Only y means y power 1. So, x power 1, y power 1. Here, one exponent is 1. Another exponent is 2. Sorry, 1. So, total 1 plus 1 is 2. And here, what is the exponent? 2. Here, exponent is 6. What is the highest one? It is 6. So, if you have two variables, 3xy is there. Exponent of x is 1, y is 1. Total 1 plus 1 is 2. Here, x square 2. Here, x power 6, 2. What is the highest? 6. So, degree will become 6. Degree will be 6. Let's consider another expression. X cube plus 3x y cube minus y square. Now, let's take each term. There are two variables in this polynomial. It is a polynomial of two variables. In this term, x cube, what is the exponent, children? 3. And if you see 3xy cube, how many variables are there? Two variables are there. For variable x, The exponent is 1. For variable y, exponent is 3. What is the total, children? 1 plus 3 is 4. And for y square, exponent is 2. Which is greater, 3, 4 or 2? 4 is greater. So if you have two variables in the same term, add the exponents of two variables. Here you have 3xy cube. For x, the exponent is 1. For y, exponent is 3. Total 1 plus 3 is 4. So here 3 is there in x cube. And here you have 4. Here you have 2. So degree of this expression, degree of this polynomial will be 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4. So if there are two variables, consider in the same term. If you have two variables, add the exponents. Let's see another example. X power 4 minus 3x square y cube plus y square. So this is the polynomial in two variables. Check each term. You have only one variable. Exponent here is 4. Here you have two variables, x and y. What is exponent of x square? It is 2. What is exponent of y cube? It is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So in this term 3x square y cube, you got total exponent value as 5. And here in y square, exponent is 2. What is the greater, children? 4, 5, 2. 5 is greater. So degree of this polynomial is 5. So if there is only one variable, it is very easy, children. Which is the highest power? X power 4 minus 3x square plus 6x cube. X power 4. 4 is greater, so degree will be 4. If you have two variables, that is two variables in the same term, you just add the exponents. Then compare. Here you have 4, here you have 5, here you have 2. Total is, which is greater, children? 4, 5 to 5 is greater, so degree will be 5. This is the degree of the polynomial concept, children. So based on this concept degree, there are different types of algebraic expressions. If degree of the algebraic expression is 1, it is called as linear. If the equation or expression has degree 1, such equation is called as linear equation. Example, x minus 2. This is a algebraic expression, and if you write x minus 2 is equal to 0, it will become an equation, and you have only one term. What is the degree, children? Only one term, exponent is 1, so degree will become 1. If degree is 1, it is called as linear equation, and if degree is 2, it is called as quadratic. It is called as quadratic equation. Example, x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here, see children, here x square exponent is 2, here x exponent is 1. Which is greater, children? 2 is greater. That means degree of this equation will become 2. So, if degree is 2, it is called as quadratic equation. Degree 3. If degree is 3, it is called as cubic equation. Example, children, x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here you have in x cube you have exponent as 3, in x square you have exponent as 2, in x you have exponent as 1. Which is the highest exponent, children? 3. So degree of this equation will be 3. If degree is 3, it is called as cubic equation. So if degree is 1, you call it as linear equation. If degree is 2, you call as quadratic equation. If degree is 3, you call as cubic equation. Children, what is the degree of a constant, children? Let's take some numbers. 7, 3, minus 2, 1, 0. All these are what, children? Numbers, and these are also called as constants. These constants are also polynomials, children. These are called as constant polynomials. So children, constants are also polynomials. They are called as constant polynomials. And this 0 is called as constant polynomial. It is also called as zero polynomial. 0 is called as what, children? Zero polynomial. So children, now you understood that constants are called as constant polynomials and 0 is called as zero polynomial. So children, you understood what is degree. Degree is highest power of the variable. So what is the degree of this constant polynomials, children? What is the degree of 7? Think, children. Children, 7 can be written as 7 into 1. You all know, children, x power 0 is nothing but 1. A power 0 is nothing but 1. X power 0. In x power 0, what is the exponent? 0. Here only x power 0 is there. Only one variable is there. Only one exponent you have, that is 0. So degree will become what, children? Of x power 0, it is 0. Of a power 0, it is 0. You all know that x power 0 is nothing but 1. So children, 7, how can you write 7? How can you write constant 7? 7 can be written as 7 into 1. This 1 can be written as 7 into x power 0. So 7 can be written as 7x power 0. Now you have one variable x here. What is exponent of x? It is 0. So degree of this equation, degree of this constant will become what, children? 0. So degree of constant polynomials is 0. So let me explain again, children. Let's take another constant 3. Children, 3 can be written as 3 into 1. You all know that x power 0 is 1. So, this 1 can be written as 3 into x power 0. So, you have a variable in this, that is x. What is the exponent of x? It is 0. And you have only one exponent, that itself will become degree. So, degree of this constant 3 is 0. Degree is 0. So children, you should remember that degree of non-zero constant polynomials. So other than 0, if you observe, degree of all constant polynomials other than 0 will be, what, children? Degree will be 0. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is what, children? 0. And what is the degree of 0? That is, what is the degree of 0 polynomial? Degree of 0 polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial is undefined. You can't define the degree of 0 polynomial. So you should remember that degree of non-zero constant polynomials is 0. That means other than 0, you have degree of all other constants as 0. And what is the degree of 0 polynomial? That is, what is the degree of 0? It is undefined. Children, next, let's see what is general expression for a polynomial. Children, let's assume a polynomial x square plus 3x minus 2. If you see, children, this polynomial has a variable x. So, you have only one variable x. So, you can denote this polynomial as p of x. So, what is the variable of this polynomial? X. So, you can write this polynomial as p of x. You can write p of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 2. Suppose the polynomial is y square minus 3. Y minus 3. What is the variable in this polynomial? It is y. So, you can denote this polynomial as p of y. What is the variable? It is y. So, you can denote it as p of y. So, children, now let's understand what is the general expression of a polynomial. General expression of a polynomial. It is an into x power n plus an minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 into x power n minus 2 plus and so on a1 into x plus a naught. This is the general expression of a polynomial. That is, here you have x power n, then it will get reduced x power n minus 1. If you see here you have x square, then it became x2 minus 1 is what children? 1. So it became x. Then here you have 1. Then 1 minus 1 is what? 0. You got constant. So degree, that is exponent, will get reduced by 1 each time. Here you have 2, then 1, then 0. Take another expression, x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6. So here you have 3, then 3 minus 1 is 2, then 2 minus 1 is 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 can be written as 6 into x power 0. So in the general expression of the polynomial, the exponent will get reduced by 1 each time. So x power n into x power n, an minus 1 are just some constants, some numbers. So an into x power n plus an minus 1 into x power n minus 1, an minus 2 into x power n minus 2 and so on. a1 x plus a naught. A naught is constant. Okay children, here 2 is constant, right? So a naught is constant. And an is an comma an minus 1 and so on, a naught not equal to 0. If an is equal to an minus 1 and so on, a naught is equal to 0, what will become children? If all these coefficients become 0, it will become, the polynomial will become 0. Then it will become 0 polynomial. If an minus 1, an minus 2 and so on, a naught, all these coefficients become 0, then the polynomial will become 0 polynomial. This is the general expression of the polynomial children. General expression of the polynomial p of x. Here x is a variable, right? So it is a p of x. So children, so what all you learn children? In this main polynomials concepts, what all concepts you learned? Polynomial is nothing but many terms. Polynomial means many terms. If polynomial can be of one variable means x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 6. Two variables, here only one variable x is there, so it is a polynomial of one variable. If the polynomial is xy plus y square is equal to 0, you have two variables. So this is a polynomial of two variables. So and next you learn monomial. Monomial means if you have only one term, then it is called as monomial. Binomial means if you have two terms, it is called as binomial. Trinomial means if you have the algebraic expression has three terms, it is called as trinomial. And the main thing you should remember in the polynomial is, the polynomial, the exponent should always be a whole number. If the exponent is not a whole number, then it will not become a polynomial. That is the main thing you should remember. So you learn monomial, binomial, trinomial. Then you learn linear equation. Linear equation means what children? If degree is 1, it is called as linear equation. If degree is 2, it is called as quadratic equation. If degree is 3, it is called as cubic equation. And you also learned that constants, some constants 7, 6 and so on, anything, any numbers. So constants are called as constant polynomials. And what is the degree of constant polynomials children? 0. And 0 is called as what children? 0 polynomial. 0 is called as 0 polynomial. And degree of 0 polynomial is what? Degree is undefined. And what is degree children? Degree is nothing but highest power of the variable in the polynomial. All these concepts are the main important concepts in polynomials children. Thank you. Let's solve first example children. Find degree of the polynomials. You should find the degree of these polynomials. First example children. x power 4 minus x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. This is a polynomial and you should find degree of this polynomial. What is degree, children? Degree is nothing but what, children? Highest power of the variable. Degree is nothing but highest power or highest exponent of the variable in the polynomial. In this polynomial, what is the variable, children? The variable is x. If you see in this first term, what is the exponent? 5. And in the second term, x power 4, the exponent is 4. So, what is the highest, children? Which is the highest exponent? 5 is the highest exponent. So, degree of this polynomial will be what, children? 5. So, degree is nothing but highest power or exponent. In this, the variable is x. In the first term, x power 5, the exponent is 5. In the second term, x power 4, exponent is 4. Which is highest exponent? 5 is highest exponent. So, degree of this polynomial is 5. Let's see second problem. 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2 into y power 8. Children, what is the polynomial, children? This is polynomial p of y. That means variable you use here is y. So, let's check the exponents of this variable. In this term y square, what is the exponent? 2. And in y cube, the exponent you have is 3. And 2y power 8. In this term, the exponent you have is 8. What is the highest exponent, children? In 2, 3, 8, 8 is highest. So, degree of this polynomial will be what, children? 8. Degree is highest exponent. So, in y square, y cube, y power 8. 2, 3, 8 are the exponents. Highest exponent is 8. So, degree will be 8. The third question, children. It is 2. Question is 2. It is a constant polynomial. 2 is a constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial, children? Any numbers 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, all these are constants and these are called as constant polynomials. They are asking the degree of constant polynomial. You all know that degree of constant polynomial is what, children? Degree of constant polynomial is 0. Degree of constant polynomial is what? 0. How do you get this? 2. How you can write 2, children? 2 can be written as 2 into 1. 1. This 1 can be written as 2 into x power 0. 2x power 0. X power 0 is nothing but 1. So 2 can be written as 2 into 1. This 1 can be written as x power 0. So this constant get converted into 2 into x power 0. So now you have variable x. What is the exponent? 0. So only one variable x is there and you have only one exponent 0. Then you can tell that degree is 0. Degree is 0. So for all constant polynomials, for all constants, degree will be 0. This is a simple problem, children.
Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe.